Hi, today we're going to take a look at similar triangles and similarity statements. So here we have a right triangle. We have this big right triangle. We have an altitude drawn in that right triangle, which that means we have going from a vertice, shooting across our triangle, creating a right angle and creating perpendicular lines here. What that does is give us three similar triangles. We have our big one, little one, and medium one here. And what we're going to do is break this picture up and we're going to create a similarity statement to say this triangle is similar to this triangle, is similar to this triangle. So let's start by breaking everything up. I'm going to rewrite my small little triangle. So I have C, D, A. There you go. Now we have our medium triangle. C, D, B. So basically, if I were to smack these two things together, we're left with this big picture over there. Now, the last one is our very, very big triangle. A, B, C. Okay, so the next thing I would like to do here is within each one of these pictures, I want to label short side, long side, and hypotenuse. My hypotenuse is always going to be across from the right angle. So, hypotenuse, right angle, across from it, hypotenuse, right angle, hypotenuse. Now, in this right triangle, we have two sides. One leg is going to be longer than the other. So our short one, we're just going to call short, long, short, long, short, long. Okay, so what's the point of that? Well, we just want to kind of help organize our brains, organize our thoughts, organize everything that we're seeing. Now we create a similarity statement. We want to take, well, let's just start with this triangle. Let's pick an order. We're going to say triangle A, D, C is similar. What this little squiggle sign is, instead of saying equals, we're going to put a little squiggle because these triangles are not equal to each other. These triangles look like each other. What that means is if you were to take a picture on your phone and like pinch it or unpinch it, that's what we're doing. We're taking that and we're kind of zooming in or zooming out to get a smaller picture. And this symbol just says, yeah, we're alike. We're just not completely the same. Okay, so arbitrary order, A, D, C, just kind of went there. Next triangle. So I went from my angle A, which is between my hypotenuse and my short side. In this next one, what's between my hypotenuse and my short side? C. My D is at my right angle. What's over in my right angle? D. And my C is between long and hypotenuse. Long and hypotenuse is going to be B. And that's one way of looking at it. Another way is we started with A at the short side. We went to D and kind of like rounded all the way around. So we started there and went around. Here we started with short and hypotenuse, went around. Here we're going to start with short and hypotenuse, which is right here, and move towards our long side. So we should have that. So similar to triangle between short and hypotenuse is A. Between D, that's our right angle, is going to be C. And last, our C over here was hypotenuse and long. Hypotenuse and long